Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes using Credit Karma's current offerings. While Credit Karma previously had its own tax software, that service is now known as Cash App Taxes. Today, Credit Karma partners with TurboTax to help you prepare and submit your federal and state tax returns. You can easily access TurboTax directly through your Credit Karma account, making the process straightforward and integrated. Before you begin, it's crucial to have all your tax documents ready. This includes your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources like investments or freelance work. Also, gather records for potential deductions and credits, such as student loan interest or charitable contributions. Having your Social Security number and last year's adjusted gross income, or AGI, will also be essential for verification. Once you've accessed TurboTax through Credit Karma, you'll be guided through a series of questions. Carefully enter all your income details from your W-2s, 1099s, and other relevant forms. The software will prompt you for information regarding potential deductions and credits, helping you maximize your refund or minimize your tax liability. Take your time to ensure all data is entered correctly. After entering all your information, it's vital to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Double-check all figures and ensure no details were missed. Once you are confident in its accuracy, you can electronically file your federal and state returns directly through the platform. Remember to save your filing confirmation for your records, and you're all set until next tax season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.